Hi, Tom MacDonald with the MacDonald Group at PMZ. Today we're going to be talking about staging and the benefits to you, the seller, of doing that. You can have your home professionally staged, as this one was, or we can work with you with your furniture and maybe supplementing some items to show your home off in the best light. We found that staging a home helps to sell the house in the quickest period of time and to get the maximum amount of money for the seller. We'd love to talk to you more about the benefits of staging and how it can get you the highest amount of money in the quickest period of time. Thanks so much and have a great day.